Bay Window Installation in West Columbia, SC, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their property's curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Custom Bay Windows West Columbia provide tailored solutions that fit the specific dimensions and design preferences of any home. Energy-efficient bay windows in South Carolina are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a stylish appearance. Bay window replacement in West Columbia is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your home. Bay window replacement in West Columbia, SC, ensures that any damage or wear is addressed promptly, preserving the window's functionality and beauty. Residential bay windows in West Columbia are designed to complement the architectural style of homes in the area, providing both aesthetic and practical benefits. Commercial bay windows in South Carolina are ideal for businesses looking to create an inviting and professional atmosphere. Bay window styles in West Columbia range from traditional to contemporary, offering options to suit any taste. Affordable bay windows. West Columbia, SC, make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of bay windows without breaking the bank. Bay window contractors in West Columbia are skilled professionals who can guide you through the entire installation process. Bay window design in South Carolina focuses on creating windows that are both functional and visually appealing. Bay window materials in West Columbia include a variety of options, such as wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits. Bay window dimensions in West Columbia, SC, can be customized to fit any space, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Bay window experts in South Carolina provide valuable insights and recommendations to help you choose the best options for your needs. Bay window solutions in West Columbia address common concerns such as energy efficiency, maintenance, and style. Bay window upgrades in West Columbia, SC, can enhance the value and comfort of your home. Bay window maintenance in South Carolina is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Bay window features in West Columbia include options such as built-in seating, storage, and decorative elements. Bay window options in West Columbia, SC, are vast, allowing homeowners to select the perfect combination of style and functionality. Bay window enhancements in South Carolina can transform a simple window into a stunning focal point. Bay window specialists in West Columbia are dedicated to providing top-notch service and expertise. Bay window customization in West Columbia, SC, ensures that your windows reflect your personal style and preferences. Bay window trends in South Carolina highlight the latest innovations and design ideas in the industry. Bay window aesthetics in West Columbia focus on creating a harmonious blend of form and function. Bay windows' West Columbia benefits include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. Whether you're looking for a simple update or a complete transformation, Bay window installation in West Columbia, SC, offers a range of options to suit your needs. With the help of experienced bay window contractors in West Columbia, you can achieve the perfect balance of style, efficiency, and functionality.